Welcome to my channel, friends. Now this is time to practice of reading a story. The name of the story is Four Friends. Once upon a time, in a small village, lived four Brahmins named Satyanand, Vidyanand, Dharmanand, and Shivanand. They had grown up together to become good friends. Satyanand, Vidyanand, and Dharmanand were very knowledgeable. But Shivanand spent most of his time eating and sleeping. He was considered foolish by everyone. Once famine struck the village. All the crops failed. Rivers and lakes started to dry up. The people of the villages started moving to other villages to save their lives. We also need to move to another place soon, or else we will also die like many others, said Satyanand. They all agreed with that. But what about Shivanand? Asked Satyanand. Do you need him with us? He has no skills or learning. We cannot take him with us, replied Dharmanand. He will be a burden on us. How can we leave him behind? He grew up with us, said Vidyanand. We will share whatever we earn equally among the four of us. They all agreed to take Shivanand along with them. They packed all necessary things and set out for a nearby town. On the way, they had to cross the forest. As they were walking through the forest, they came across the bones of an animal. They became curious and stopped to take a closer look at the bones. Those are the bones of a lion, said Vidyanand. The others agreed. This is a great opportunity to test our learning, said Satyanand. I can put the bones together. So saying, he brought the bones together to form the skeleton of a lion. Dharmanand said, I can put muscles and tissue on it. Soon a lifeless lion lay before them. I can breathe life into this body, said Vidyanand. But before he could continue, Shivanand jumped up to stop him. No, do not. If you put life into that lion, it will kill us all, he cried. Oh, you coward! You cannot stop me from testing my skills and learning, shouted an angry Vidyanand. You are here with us only because I requested the others to let you come along. Then please let me climb that tree first, said a frightened Shivanand, running toward the nearest tree. Just as Shivanand pulled himself onto the tallest branch of the tree, Vidyanand brought life into the lion. Getting above their deafening roar, the lion attacked and killed the three learned Brahmins. And so, friend, this is the end of this story. How three intelligent Brahmins lost their lives, and a foolish Brahmin saved his life.